Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is day 4 of planting. So day 1 started on Thursday. It was like the first night. It wasn't going to be too cold for my plants overnight, and I did the front yard. And then Friday I kind of did this section and started prepping things. Yesterday we took down the big branch on the tree, and I got a lot of my containers planted, including all of my tomatoes. Well, not all. I have a few more that are going to go out in the garden. So today we are going to focus on finishing. So we'll see how much we get done today. So I still have this pile here. So this is our like compost slash emptied out container pile, and I've been using it to fill the containers with so far. So I have to just make sure this is all out so I can plant my veggies up here. I'm going to be planting, I'm going to do some cucumber up the dead tree. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. And then I have this stake pounded in really good right here. I might tie the tree to that. I'm going to be doing squash, zucchini, because they're both shrubbing plants. They're going to go probably over on this side. And then in here I have, oh gosh, what do I have? I think I'm going to do my okra right in here because it's very pretty, so it can be at the front. And then I have my garden huckleberry and roselle, and then of course just all the random plants. What other veggies do I have? I might have 2 cucamelons left. I have 2 of this, it's called husaka cucumber. I have 3 of the husakas left, 2 of those, so I might put one of those up on that thing, and then I'll probably give the other 2 away. Over here, no veggies. So they're all over here now. Okay, in this container. So I have a handful of tomatoes left. Here's all my peppers. They're getting ready to go in as well. They have to go into the container, so mostly. Garden huckleberry. And then down here I have my, I have the pumpkin on the stick. That's got to go in the garden too. My eggplant needs to go somewhere. And then I have the regular zucchini, okra, and squash, and then I have a couple of the Armenian cucumbers left. So yeah, I'm gonna try and keep all of the veggies up at the top there, I think. And then I have a bunch of beans. I don't know if I've even shown you the beans. I did a video and then I don't think I ever put it together. So I did them in the winter sowing containers, but I tucked them into the greenhouse. So these are bush beans and these are pole beans. So, and then I have like just, you know, random plants to stick around. So hoping to get as much as I can done this morning while it's still cool. It's supposed to get to 81 today. So whatever I don't get done this morning, I will probably be coming back in the evening when it cools down again. Perfect timing. All right. See ya. Excellent fetching. What? No, right through the beds. No. No. What are you doing? Hi Dex, what are you doing this morning? You gonna go get the baby? It was quite tricky to capture me actually working in part of the garden because I was moving up and down the hill as I was just kind of putting in random things, and moving the camera was just really not feasible, being as it's on a hill on a tripod, and I just constantly kept having to rearrange it. So I got the brilliant idea of putting the GoPro on Dexter, because Dexter's always by my feet, always running into me, like usually between me and the container. So I thought, you know what, he'll be there, he'll be around, maybe he'll get some decent footage as he's kind of running around the yard. It could be fun for a change. But this is what Dexter did. He decided he just wanted to stand and stare at the door. I think the issue is he only ever wears a harness when he's going for a walk. And so he assumed when he got the GoPro harness put on that it meant walkies. So I think he thought if he just stood at the door, he would remind me like, hey, what's taking you so long? Let's go for a walk. That, or he just wanted it off because he's not used to wearing a harness in the backyard. Whatever it was, it did not work. Dexter does way better in front of the camera than he does behind it. There are a few short clips of him running through the garden, so I will be showing you that, and I will not bore you with the 12 minutes of him basically just staring at the glass doors. I don't know what was going through that little brain of his, but at least he's cute, right? So here's some footage of him hanging out in the garden, running around, looking up in the sky, random shots of me possibly in the garden, and yeah. This does not go well. We're gonna have to work on training him. Maybe just get him used to wearing the harness more often in the backyard. Maybe some treats need to be involved. I'm not exactly sure, but we're gonna try and get him used to wearing the GoPro, because I do think it could be a really fun way to film me doing different projects and everything in the backyard, because he's usually always right by my feet. That, or I just put it on him and don't turn it on, and he'll leave me alone. So there's always that idea as well. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the footage. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and so you can see my garden tour video, which will be coming soon. I give you the very next video will be just an overall view of everything that I got planted and how it all looks at the beginning of the year. And then that way when I do my July garden tour, you're going to get to see the growth, and I can't wait, because things are already starting to grow. It's amazing how quickly they're filling in some of those containers. So enjoy Dexter as the videographer this afternoon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Come here. Do you know what? You were a terrible videographer. You know that? Terrible. Yeah. You are really bad at it. Yeah. You're much better on the other side of the camera, right?
Yeah.
But you're learning.
Yeah.
I know. You don't like being put to work?